Yes, click compute, start and compute. You have copied that, right? Same thing only you're going to write about yourself. What is that? About yourself only. Past, present, future. That's what you copied, right? You took photo, right? Just to replace your name. That's it. What is that? And if you have done anything work-wise, anything you have done, you add it. That's it. Otherwise, general. Left side you see modules. Click that modules. நான் அந்த ஃபார்மேட்டே கொடுத்துருக்கேனே அதில் இருக்கிற உங்களோட இன்டர்ன்ஷிப்பை தூக்கிடுங்க. இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் நீங்கள் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா ஏதாவது? அப்போ அதை தூக்கிடுங்க. ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிறது இருக்கட்டும். நான் இப்போ எப்படி கொடுத்துருக்கேன்னா, நீங்கள் இந்த ஃபைனல் இந்த கோர்ஸ் முடிக்கும் போது என்ன ரெஸ்யூம் வச்சுருக்கீங்களோ அந்த ஃபார்மேட்டில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். எந்த கம்பெனி இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் அப்ளை பண்ணால் இதை எடுத்துக்குவாங்க. இன்டர்வியூ வரும்போது நீ ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுவாங்க. இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் வழியாட்டு மற்றெல்லாம் கரெக்ட். நேம் மற்றெல்லாம் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல நான் வந்து எல்லாத்துக்கும் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன்ல, வேலை ஒன்லி எடிட்டிங் த நேம், இமெயில் ஐடி, ஃபோன் நம்பர், ட்விட்டர் அக்கௌண்ட், அவ்வளோதான். Just click getting started with compute. Just click continue. Click continue. Yes, we are going to launch a residence. Wait, first we are going to start this compute lab is going to, we are going to launch a server. We are going to launch a server. Okay, just follow my instructions and we will complete this lab in 30 minutes. Okay, you're able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, submit.
Wait, man, we didn't do anything. Wait, I'll tell you. Talk slowly. You're done. Leave it. You will start. Go, prepare and come. Yes, go type EC2. Type EC2.
Sir, where's over?
Yes, there. Type there. Now everything should be inside this one. Okay, EC2. Enter. Press enter. Select EC2. Just choose launch instance. Below you see the red color, orange color. Launch.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, we are going to give the name of the server, that is web server. Yesterday I showed you, right? Web, W caps, WEB hyphen server.
Yes, capital, sir.
Server spelling SERVR, server. Press enter. Press enter, man. Press enter. Click. Wait. In the name and tag span is there, the right side, na?
Sir, where, sir?
In the name and tag, wait.
Name and
additional tags are there, na?
Yes, sir.
Web server, enter.
Enter. It is showing the name and tag plain.
Okay, try again. Click try again and click additional tags adana right side additional tags.
Add additional
Ah,
tags. No, sir, I can't click it.
you put the name as server spelling is wrong man. SERVER you type correctly.
Type, sir.
Then again type press enter. Scroll down. You send your resume to me. Shruti you sent right. Telugu. Click additional tags.
Sir, where, sir?
Right side you see add additional tags. Previously you tried to click on that one.
Oh, yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yes. Instance you just remove and mention volumes.
Remove, sir.
Select volumes.
Volumes.
Kerala where? Evidence. Malappuram. Oh, Hamsachila. Okay. குழப்பம் இல்லை ஏதோ ஒரு டெக்னிக்கல் லாங்குவேஜ் இருந்தால் மதி இல்லை 2 years எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸை வச்சு அதை வச்சு அப்ளை செய்தால் மதி அப்போ தானே இப்போ சேலரி ஓகே இப்போ you selected it. Next you select AMI. We'll select an AMI. You just type Windows Server. Type Windows space server
Windows.
space server space
Sir, capital
290
S, sir.
capital S server 2019 space
20.
2019 space base
Yes, sir. 2019 space.
base 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 B caps
P.
base BASE
PASE. Yes, sir.
base one
Base.
base
PASE. Yes, sir. Base.
yes enter. Now you're able to see that one is selected na server Windows 7 select that right side select that yes. In the instance type you select T2 micro it's already selected no issues. Now key pair you just select drop down there you select proceed without key.
So proceed without key.
Key pair select next networking edit that no top edit is there networking settings edit is there yes click that and select lab VPC no go there lab VPC you go
First one, yes, sir.
first one
VPC.
VPC drop down you select and select VPC lab VPC
Which one? This one.
lab VPC.
Yes, sir.
Next one select it's enabled auto enabled subnet we don't want to select now select existing security group that one you select in that choose selection common security group select that web security group the second one select yes.
Yes, sir.
And add storage it's already 30 GB
Yes,
already
sir.
30 GB is there leave it don't want to do anything click advanced details. Come down, click advanced detail. Click advanced detail. What about you? You are already an experienced candidate, right? Then why are you waiting? Come finish and go. Advanced detail sections, you go IAM instance profile, na?
Yes, sir.
IAM, second one,
Yes, sir.
IAM instance profile. Select that lab stack.
Yes, sir.
Be on the line. Still more because it's not even 2 minutes. You have to add more. You have to talk about the projects. Tomorrow you prepare and come. You can leave. What about you guys? What are you doing? Harshit, what is your name, man? Akash, what you are doing? Okay, lab stack you have selected. Now
Yes,
come
sir.
down. Termination protection is there.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
that one. Yes. Click enable.
Enable, sir.
Enable.
Yes, sir.
Next to user data. You are able to see user data. Come down, user data. The box is there. No box. Wait. Box is there. No. Okay. Go there on the top. Scroll above. Or reduce the size. Reduce the size. You see simulation instructions on the top right side. Simulation. Right. Slow down. Reduce the size. Simulation instruction is there. Na.
Yes, sir.
Click that
Simulation.
simulation instruction. Click
Click,
that.
sir. Yes, sir.
Click that and get that PDF. Yes, click that PDF. Come to the point number 18. Come to point number 18. There is a code. You just copy that code. Wait. You see the PowerShell. Copy that from the PowerShell. Full thing you copy till the code. Till PowerShell. Below is there, no? Till that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first you copy this and paste it there. Copy, paste it there. In the user data. There you paste it. And last line alone, that PowerShell.
Yes, sir.
While I'm applying and enhancing my knowledge, company's growth and all marketing. What about the last line? You have written. Click launch instance. Click launch instance of the instance. Yes, view all instance. Prepare one tomorrow. Prepare one and come tomorrow, I'll say. Okay. டைப் பண்ணி தானே வந்தாங்க. So we have launched the instances. So you've been able to see pending state to running state it has gone. Right. Now select that web server checkbox. Select that web server checkbox left side. You'll be able to see details. Correct. Yes, details you can see public IP address, private IP address, instance, running, everything, all the details are there. Now in the top you see details. Details is an wait, below.
Details.
Details, right side. You see security is there.
Security.
Security is there. Security tab. You just click that security tab. Yes, you are able to see the security tab which is showing that our security groups. Okay. Next networking. Click networking. You'll be able to see the instances are running. right? On the top also you're able to see 2 plus 2 stars running and instant state is running. So now we have completed the task 1. Click come down, click continue. Yes, we are going for the task to monitor your instance. How to monitor your instance? Click continue. Now in that left side details, next to tab details, right? Wait, details. Now only you click the details. Next to tab status and alarms. Click that. Here you can able to see two statuses. One is system reachability and another one is instance reachability. So system reachability is your system, local system, and instance is your the virtual machine. Okay, both status are tick mark. Then click monitoring. Next tab is the monitoring. Yes, there you can able to see all these options, right? CPU utilization, network, whatever. So for your computer, you'll have a task manager, right? You click right click your below your system, in your system, right click in your system, your system. Right click. No. Below the task manager. Task manager is there, na?
Sir, where, sir?
Your system, come down, fully
That's
come
all, sir.
down, man. Scroll your mouse down. Below again, come down.
That's all, sir.
You go to your timer, na? You go to your timer. Time. Left side. Scroll left side,
That's
left. You know task manager, how to open a task manager? Come below, man. Come below. Come below. Scroll down. Mouse, you bring it down. I'm saying, na. You bring the mouse down. Right click. Right click. No. Right click. Right click. Task manager. Click task manager. So in this task manager, you're able to see how your server, that is your computer, is using 65% CPU, memory, disk, networking. Everything is there. Correct, na? Yes, CPU, memory, disk, network is there because it's your computer. Correct, na? Yes, your computer means you'll have a CPU, memory, disk, and network. Same thing only. We are also having, close that. We are also having in this server, virtual server. Now zoom it. See CPU utilization, networking, network outputs, everything it is showing the records. Okay. Now you go click on top action,
actions.
click actions and click monitoring is there, monitoring and troubleshoot. In that, click and click get system log, get system log. Click that. So you're able to see system logs, you're able to see. Okay. That is what is happening in the log system. Log means what? What all happening, the step-by-step action is there. Now click below left side, right side, cancel. Cancel. Now again click action and monitoring, and again click get instant screenshot. So first select the web server. I think web server is not selected. Click select web server and click action and click monitoring and troubleshoot and click get instance screenshot. That one. Click. You're able to see this is your virtual computer. You're able to see this is your virtual computer which we are able to see. Okay, like we were talking all these days, na? Virtual computer, you love virtual computer. This is your virtual computer's desktop screen. Okay, so cancel it. Yes, coming to the third task, updating the security group, accessing the web server. So we are going to update the security groups and we are going to access the web server. So how to do that? Just click continue. Click left side, you see left side security groups. Below left side security groups is there. Left side, that one. Yes. So here you see which one is a web server security group. Select that only. That one. Yes. Below you see inbound rules are there. Inbound rules. That is incoming and outgoing traffic. Yes. Now edit the inbound rules. Okay. Edit the inbound rules. Now there is no rules, right? So we are going to add the rule. Click add rule. We have already entered the server there. We have already entered the software. I mean, you already entered the application which we want to launch using user data. Now we have to give the connection. So for that security group, select type. There you select HTTP, then custom. Select anywhere IP address. Yes, select that and click save rules. Yes, now we are coming for the task number 4. Click continue at the bottom. Now you go and type in the search box systems manager. Systems space manager. Enter. Select that systems manager. In the left side, you are able to see fleet manager. Fleet manager. That one. Yes. Here you can able to see that web server EC2 is there. Na? Manage nodes is there. Yes, in that you are able to see web server EC2 instance that which is running na left side checkbox.
Yes, sir.
Below man, below checkbox is there na. Left side, select that and you see node actions. Node actions on the top right side. Right side you see there. Right, wait below. Wait, there. Connect with remote desktop. Connect with remote desktop. So we are going to connect to the remote desktop. Now the remote desktop should have a username password. Correct now? You want to access your computer means you need remote access. For that you need password. So type administrator, A caps, administrator. No, MNI administrator.
Yes.
MNISTRATOR.
ST
R
R8.
A T O R.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Wait, enter. You press. Now you type password P caps at the rate symbol at the rate. Yes. Uh, Now W caps. W capital letter. Again O capital letter. R small letter. D capital letter. Enter. Enter. First enter. I'm
Enter
saying.
only I gave,
So
sir.
one more semicolon. Wait. Semicolon you can. Semicolon. Sorry. Exclamatory mark. Exclamatory mark. The yes. Enter first. What is the spelling you have done the mistake?
Sir, I can't edit that, sir.
It's correct only, no?
STARATOR. Correct only, sir.
I think the word VWO,
RD. Correct, sir.
the O I think they put it as zero, I think so. Let us check. O you replace with O, zero, zero,
Zero.
zero.
O only I put, sir.
So what I'm saying, man, O instead of O you put zero, I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Now you enter and see.
Oh,
Okay. Now you're able to see we are connected to our system, correct? So it's our normal computer we are able to see. So for to disconnect from this server, we have to press actions. Their action is there, and click end. End session. Yes, end session. Yes, now fifth, we are coming for resizing your instance. How to resize your instance? So go to again type EC2 on the browser and press enter. Choose EC2. Yes, left side plus enter.
Sir, what, sir?
Instances. You click left side on that one. Yes. Then again click web server. Again click web server. Now we are going to stop the instance. So click instance state. Click instance state. Instance state.
Where, sir?
Top. You
Ah,
see
yes, sir.
that one.
Stop.
Then click stop instance. It's asking you to stop the instance. Okay, you're able to see the instance is stopped. The instance state is showing it as instance stop. Now, what is the true? What we are going to do? We are going to change the instance from T2 micro to another type. So, select again web server left side and select actions and instance settings. Change instance type. Select T2 nano, and apply. Okay. Just wait. You send me the resume. When? Send me that man fast. Go send me that and come. Now again web server you selected. We are going to restart it. Okay, stop the right. We changed it to T2 micro to T2 nano. Now again instance state. You start instance. Instance state. You start instance. Yes. Yes. Now click continue. You'll be able to see it is running through T2 nano. Zoom it. Yes, you're able to see that instance type as T2 nano. Right side. Wait, man, where are you going? Wait. You see the column web server? Select that. Right side, you see instant ID, instant state, instant type.
Yes, sir.
What is the ID name? What is the type you are saying? T2 nano. You're able to see.
Yes, sir.
That's what we have changed it. Okay. Now we are going to terminate the instance. So again, click instance state, terminate instance, terminate. Now it is asking you terminate. Click that. It is showing that it's failed to terminate. Correct? Because we have put a protection. We have put a protection that no one could delete it unnecessarily, okay, or unwantedly or unknowingly. Correct? So to stop this protection, first go to
Actions.
instance setting. There you see change termination protection. There you select the checkbox. It is enabled, uncheck that. Termination protection is enabled. We are unable disabling that and saving it. Now you come back again, click instance state and terminate protection. Terminate instance, it will get terminated. Instance is successfully terminated. So come down, scroll down. You'll be having to close the lab. So we we are able to start the instance. We are able to create the instance. We terminate the instance. We we resize the instance. Everything we have done. Scroll down, come down, scroll down, reduce the size. Next you click. Yes, sir. So you go have to take the final assessment. Okay, that you can able to take by yourself. Load the test and you can do by yourself. Once the
Yes, sir.
class is over, you guys can take and finish it.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Yeah, you can stop sharing your screen. We will go for the next module. I hope everyone got the mail yesterday. Everyone got the mail for the modules which I mailed you, for the completed modules. Yes. Okay. Fine. We go for the next module. ரெஸ்யூம் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டியா? ஒரு நிமிஷம். ஒரு நிமிஷம். உன்னோட GitHub அக்கௌண்ட்டே இல்ல, GitHub அக்கௌண்ட் கிரியேட்டே பண்ணலையே. ஓகே சொல்லு. நீ என்ன இருக்க, நீ என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்க? ஃபாஸ்டா சொல்லு, நான் கிளாஸ் நீ சொல்றது வந்து சொல்லி கொடுத்து சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு, ஏதோ சொல்லணும்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. நீ பேசுறது வந்து சொல்லி கொடுத்து சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு, ஏதோ சொன்னமேன்னு சொன்ன மாதிரி இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் ஹார்ட்ல இருந்து வர மாதிரி பேசணும், ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணு. நாளைக்கு வந்து கரெக்டா சொல்லு, நாளைக்கு கரெக்டா ரீரைட் பண்ணு, கரெக்டா வருது. இது போதும் தான், பட் அந்த இது வரல, லைவ்லினஸ் வரல. So today we'll discuss about storage lab, so storage model. So as we know that cloud is mainly known for storage, correct? We are also using storage, right, in cloud. What is the storage that we are using in cloud? Start man. So it looks like you're memorizing everything in system. So it should be live. You could prepare like that. Okay, go. So what is the cloud storage which we are using for free? I'm asking you the question. Are we using any cloud space in our real life currently? Next line போயிருக்கு. ஏன் GitHub link GitHub open பண்ணலையா நீ? சரி இந்த லைன் அலைன்மெண்ட் பண்ணு. how to run, but நீ எங்க இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் பண்ணியிருக்கியா? இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் பண்ணியிருக்கியா? அப்புறம் ஏன் சொல்ற? நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்? இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் இல்லைன்னா விட்டுருங்கன்னு தான் சொன்னேன். இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் நீ ஏன் புடுங்கிட்டு இருக்கியா? இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் நீ தான் பண்ணவே இல்லையா? சரி சொல்லு ஃபாஸ்டா, அவ்வளோதானே? அந்த இன்டர்ன்ஷிப்லாம் பேசக்கூடாது. நீ வந்து என்ன சொல்ற? கரெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு நாளைக்கு வந்து சொல்லுங்க. So yes, Kiran said it is the Google Drive which we are using. How many GB of Google Drive we are using actually? How much storage we are using for free? 15 GB. Exactly. Fine. So in this module, we are going to discuss about the Elastic Block Store, Simple Storage Service, EFS, that is Elastic File System, and Simple Storage Glacier, and identify the different types of storage functionalities in S3, EBS, EFS, Glacier, and all those things. Now, what are the core services? You make a note of these core services. Wherever you go for the interview, they will ask you these core services. Just write this in your notebook. Mail பண்ணிட்டியா? எவ்வளோ ஸ்பேஸ் வேணும்? இதை டவுன் பண்ணு. சரி, ஓகே. பட் ஸ்டில் நிறைய கொஞ்சம் என்டர் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணது அந்த மாதிரி போகணும். அதுதான் ரெஸ்யூமில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். என்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட் இப்போ கரண்டாக ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், அதை பற்றிலாம் பேசணும். பண்ணல, ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பேன்ல இப்போதைக்கு. We have started with HTML, CSS. Being from other non-computer science background or non-IT background, I am trying to do it by implementing, creating new websites. சரி, அதை ஆட் பண்ணு. என்ன அவன் பேர்? அந்த ஆகாஷ் வரியா இல்லையா? வா, கம் ஆன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். For saying this, I am not prepared. You are sitting for 1.5 hours. Sit here and prepare. Come, prepare, same and then go. You got an internship, huh? Hey, you're required to pay 1,650. They're asking you to get money. What is this? Gross salary? 23,000 per month. First, you go and check. You attended the interview fully? What are the rounds they have? Only HR round. That means it's fraud. Then means it's fraud. Okay, don't go. They will collect you money. They will not pay any salary. 1 month they will keep you. Then they will throw you out, saying that no performance, nothing. It's another fraud. Don't go. Yes. Yes, so you have written, I think, so four things. Now we'll go for elastic block store. So previously I already learned about elastic block store, right? EBS. Now EBS, we have two things. One is EBS, another one is two types of storage options are there. One is storage types. One is block storage, another one is object storage. Now let us see what is this block storage and object storage. Now you're going for a market. You're going to market, let us say. Okay. Now for going to market, you will be able to store, you will carry this market bag actually with you, correct? And you will put tomato, carrot, brinjal, lady's finger, beetroot, turnip, bottle gourd, drumstick, onion, potato, right? All these things you will put. Now I'm asking you to take this tomato which is at the down. When I'm asking you to take this tomato, what will happen actually? What happened to the other items in the bag? What will happen to the other items in the bag? Come on, guys, just answer. Kiran, we are there. What will happen if we take the tomato out of that bag? Let us take this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm asking you guys, please respond. When we take the tomato which is at the bottom of the bag, if we take, what will happen to the other items? Are you guys able to hear me? Yes, other vegetables will fall down, correct? Okay. Now same thing, I'm arranging all these things separately in a rack. Separately in a rack. Tomato, brinjal, onion, potato, carrot. Now, if I want to take this tomato, which one is faster? Taking from this rack or from this bag? Which one will be faster? Rack, correct? Now, why? Why? Why it is faster? Because it is organized. It is organized. The data is organized, correct? This is unorganized, and for example I want to remove the number 3. I want to take number 3 alone. Number 3, if we remove, I want to take only from this one, the one rack. I'm just saying potato means potato only I want to take, means I can take easy. But here what is happening, when I remove this 3, what will happen? The 4 will come here, 5 will go, 6 will go, 7 will come, 8 will go here, 9 will go, 10 will come here, 11, 12, 13. Now everything will, all the piece of information will get rearranged. It has to re-upload. If we want to change one file, it has to move all the things. Correct? Now Let us keep this as like your phone, your mobile, you have this audio files, video files and all, right? Will you keep everything in one folder? Audio, video, images, everything in one folder or different folders? The mobile itself, is it organizing by itself? All the images in one folder, all the videos in one folder, like that it is organized? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Now, because it is organized, is it easy to for you to take and use it faster? Yes? Yes. Same thing. You just think this as your C drive and this as your D drive. So C drive, will you put all your video files, audio files, movies, everything, will you put it in the C drive or you will keep it in the D drive? Where you will keep your audio, video and your images and all in your computer? D drive, correct? Okay. Why you should not go for C drive? Because C drive is the one which is going to allow you to start your computer, correct? If your storage is full in C drive, what will happen? Your storage in C drive is full. What will happen? Will your system starts properly? No, correct? It will get slow down. Am I right? So this C drive, you're not putting all these audio, video files and everything because it will get slow down and the memory will get full. It will not allow your computer to run properly. So we want the structure of this C drive properly set because it is going to start supporting your computer for starting and working properly. Correct now? So that unwanted files we don't want to keep it there. Am I right? So wherever the C drive we want to keep files organized also by itself and it should be smooth. So for that same thing here the block storage. Block storage we previously in the previous section we is connected with EC2, EBS we connected with EC2. That's why we connected this ECS. That is EC2 is what? Server. Server is nothing but your computer. Your computer wants to work properly. I want the C drive to be properly set. So we go for block level storage which is an organized structure. Same thing as I told you, if you are having this audio video file, see here, audio files, video files, images, documents. Now I want to one particular video to be removed. Now here it is fully like your downloads folder. In your downloads folder you'll have all the files, right? Similar to this it is like that. When I want to take one particular file, which one will be faster? Block level or storage? I want to take one video file particularly. Which one will be faster? Block storage or object storage? Block storage, correct? Because it is organized properly. Now since it is organized, will it charge more when compared to the object? Will it charge more or not? Will it charge more? Will it charge more? Yes. Where is your resume, man? You sent it or not? Send it for you to keep it. Send it to me first. So your block storage will be costing you more. So that's why we go for EBS. So if you want to change one piece of file that contains a character, we have to just to change that file alone. But here in the object storage, I want to change the entire file must be updated. The entire file must be getting updated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I change remove 3, automatically the other things should get rearranged. So that's what we have to re-upload the entire file. Are you getting? So that's what this difference between object level and block level storage. Now Amazon EBS will help you to enable you to create individual storage volumes as we already mentioned. EC2 EBS, EC2 EBS. EBS is attached. Now EBS is offering a block level storage. EBS offers block level storage. Volumes are automatically replicated within the availability zone. That is, as we already discussed, there is having three availability zones. When you take one EC2 instance, it is automatically having one more copy in the second availability and third availability zones. Here we are having EBS volume, EBS. This volume copy also will be there by default. It can break up automatically to S3 through snapshots. So this EC2 instance configuration copy, this configuration photocopy can be stored in the S3 bucket. That is your S3 bucket as a snapshot, as a screenshot. That's what snapshot. Now mainly EBS will be used for boot volumes and storage is for Elastic Compute Cloud. As I told you, EC2 instance mainly for the server, EBS only will work. The data stored with the file system, database hosts also we can able to do, and enterprise applications. The full enterprise application we can able to launch it using this EBS. Now this EBS has volume types. The EBS has volume types. There are two methods. One is solid state drive, another one is hard disk drive. Now this solid state drive, that is maximum volume. How much volume of storage it can able to handle? Which one? EBS. Like your C drive, you are having some limited structure you are giving, right? Let us say 500 GB of storage you are giving means in that 500 you will keep some 200 or 300 for your C drive. Same thing we allocate. Now EBS by generally it will support up to 16 terabyte storage. 16 terabyte storage. And this solid state drive alone, it is divided into two categories. One is provisioned IOPS and another one is general purpose. General purpose is the one which will be using broadly, that is everyone will use general purpose only. It can go up to 16 terabyte. And what is this IOPS? IOPS means what? IO. In your computer science, you know what is in the IO. IO represents what? IO represents input output. Yes, exactly. Input output per second. Input output per second per volume. You're able to see. So it can able to take around 16,000 IOPS. It can able to handle. That is 16,000 request input output sessions. Next, this one provision IOPS which is taking very high performance. 64,000 IOPS per second 64,000. Like how your bike will have RPM. What is RPM? Your bikes, those who are driving bikes, car and all will have this RPM, right? What is this RPM? Revolution per minute, correct? Revolution per minute. Same thing, input output per second, it can go up to 64,000. Now, volume, throughput volume. What is meant by throughput? Throughput is nothing but the number of, for example, I am having a pot. Now I am having a pipe. I'm filling this pipe. I'm filling this water pot with water. Now it's a normal pipe. It will take 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Let us take 10 minutes to fill the water. Now what I have to do to fill this fill the pot with water within 2 minutes. What I have to do? Just tell me. Yeah, tell me. From? Hmm. Where are you from? Goa. Goa. I gave you the format. I asked you only to edit this one. Why you have done all these things in your resume? You don't want to do anything. I told you clearly. Only the top editing you have to do. The remaining only this your qualification everything only you have to change. Then internship if you have done anything you mention. If not, remove that. But project should be done as it is. I told you. You're editing only your job is like only 2 minutes job. Why are you doing all these things? What you are saying is totally contradictory, right? What you are saying here. Tomorrow you have to prepare everything and come. Edit this one and send it to me. Okay? You can do now or what? Go home and send it to me. Go. What you can do, guys? You want to fill this part faster. What we can do? It was taking 10 minutes time. What we can do? I think you guys will not think also. What you have to do? At least say something. You want to fill that part faster. Okay, let us say simple. You want to download a movie which is 2 GB of size. You want to download faster. What you need? 2 GB of video file. The movie. You want to download faster. What you need? What you need, guys? Faster Wi-Fi. Okay, faster Wi-Fi means what? What is that? What is that? What the Wi-Fi should have? What the Wi-Fi it should have? What Wi-Fi in Wi-Fi? What we need to check? Wi-Fi connection is normal. Everyone will get Wi-Fi connection. But what in that Wi-Fi should be there? Yes, exactly. Mbps. What? More Mbps. Correct? More Mbps should be there. 10 GB or 100 Mbps should be there. Then only you'll be able to download the video files, audio files faster. Same thing here. The part what? The part size of this pipe has to be increased. You might have seen this. What is that? This water lorries and tempos, right? You'll be able to see a big pipe which is filling the pots faster. Am I right? Yes. That is called bandwidth. That is called bandwidth or throughput. Now throughput, that means the more number of speed. So speed is 250 mbps. Here it is 1000 mbps. So which one is faster? This one. So this one is high configuration, higher rate. That is costly. Now another one which was a low cost, that is your hard disk drive. Now where you can also support 16 terabyte, 16 terabyte, but it will go for 500 MB and 500 Mbps. Here it is 250 Mbps. Now this cold and throughput. These both will be mainly eligible for more number of storage. Where which application needs more number of storage? Can you guys say me which application needs more number of storage? Which application needs more number of storage? Which application? Okay, your OTT platforms, correct? So your OTT platform streaming videos, you'll be using this one. Now this is one normal streaming videos. If you want very old movies which we are not frequently want to use, then we can go for this cold, which is unfrequently used data. We can store it here, which is very low cost. So low cost, similar, just high cost, then compared to this very high cost, and it's just normal cost. Okay, that's what all these types. We can able to see this type of uh, solid state drive is recommended for most workloads, and it will be mainly used for your boot volumes and virtual desktops and low latency interactive applications. Mainly small low latency interactive applications we can use. Development and test environment also we can able to use this. The other one, provisioned IOPS, it's critical business application that requires sustained IOPS performance of more than 16,000. More than 16,000 IOPS or 250 micro Mbps per second of throughput per volume. We can able to go for this provisioned IOPS. Next one is large database workloads. We can able to go with provisioned IOPS. As I told you, it is going to cost you more. So you can able to use this for mainly for large database, and this is for normal everything. And here you can able to see mainly for your throughput at low price, mainly for your streaming workload. Streaming means like your video files. That's what I told you, OTT platforms. Here throughput oriented large volume data is infrequently accessed. As I told you, unfrequently or infrequently accessed data, you can go with this. Now these both we cannot use as a boot volume. Boot volume means what? Like your C drive. Like your C drive, you cannot use it. But you can able to use for more storage, like this big data analysis, data warehouse, log processing and all. We can able to use this. If you want to go for a very low cost storage, then you go for cold. And if you want for normal, you can go for throughput optimize, and very high performance you need, more workload you to manage, that too high IOPS, 16,000 IOPS you want, you can go with provisioned IOPS, but costly. But this general is a normal one, which will help you for system booting volume as well as latency interaction as well. Right? Now, what are the features we have? This EBS by default it is taking point in time snapshot. Point in time means, as I told you, your EC2 is there, EBS is there, taking the screenshot of this and keeping it in the S3 bucket. But this S3 bucket is again storage, so storage again will be costing you. But that we have to manage, or you don't want means you don't want the snapshot. But it will help you to take point in time snapshot. Point in time means what? Every day at this time you want to take the screenshot by itself and put it like your proctor tests. Next, recreate a new volume at any time. So once the volume is down or terminated, you can recreate it immediately. Next, by default, it is encrypted. By default, these EBS volumes are encrypted, and there is no additional charge for that separately. EBS will come with encryption by default. Next, elasticity, increase capacity, change to different types. We can able to increase the capacity. We can able to change this to different types. Types means from general purpose to provision, provision to IOPS, throughput optimize or cold. Like that, in these four types, we can able to change it to any type also. These are the features. Next, volumes. So how we are going to pay? So as this is a storage, storage will always charge by the number of based based on the per GB per month. How much GB you have passed per month, based on that will be charged. So here you see EBS volumes persistent independently from the instance. All volume types are charged by the amount that is provisioned per month. Amount that is provisioned per month. How much we have used per month, based on that will be charged. And IOPS, you see, generally charged by the amount that you provision per GB per month until the storage is released. Until the storage is getting released, that means until you delete the data, how much number of days you are storing in a month in that particular storage EBS, you will be charged for that days. So it is charged by the number of requests to the volume also. How many number of requests are coming to that particular storage volume, based on that also will be charged. So in provisioned IOPS, you can be charged by the amount that you provision in the IOPS multiplied by the percentage of provision per month. That is, for example, as they said, volume types are changed by the provisioning and persistent multiplied by the instance. That means we can able to change the type I told you. So EBS, okay, for example, in a month of 30 days, 10 days you are using persistent storage and 20 days you are using general purpose. Okay. Okay. 10 days, 20 days you use this, 10 days you use this. Now how they will charge? So that they will say, for example, they will take the percentage of provisioned IOPS, how much they have used in a month. So 80 percentage we have used only general purpose, and 20 percentage only we have used provisioned IOPS, means they will charge you only for that provision of 20 IOPS what you have used, not for the full month. Full month half it will go for half, or 80% will go for the general purpose. Are you getting? That's what multiplied by percentage of days that you provision for the month. Next, added cost of EBS snapshots. As I told you, EC2 EBS. This screenshot will be shared in the stored in the S3 bucket as a folder. Like how your photos are storing in the camera, it will be stored here. Now this will be kept as a screenshot, which you can able to. We have to pay for this storage also. That too, how we will be stay paying? S3 is per GB per month of data. Per GB per month, you will know how much per GB per month you have been charged. Next, the last one, how you are going to transfer. So for GB, for example, you are transferring from India to US, India to US, 500 MB. Now 500 MB will be charged. That too, as I already know, inbound is free, incoming call is free, like that. From US to India, who is going to pay? The person who is going to send the data will going to pay. Same thing, if you are sending to US, then you have to pay. That's what outbound data transfer across regions only will be charged. Regions means like India, US, Australia, like that. Regions only will be charged, not within the region. Within the region, you will not be charged. Okay, within the region, it will not be charged. Yes, Kiran, can you read it?
Yes, sir. Amazon EBS features persistent and customizable block storage for Amazon EC2, HDD and SSD types replicated in the same availability zone, easy and transparent encryption, elastic volumes, backup by using snapshots.
Okay, fine. Fine. So tomorrow we'll see the simple storage service. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.